Hello everybody, this is Ede from Italy, and here I present you how to cook an authentic zucchini soup. This is a really healthy and light vegetarian dish. At first I cut up the zucchini cubic. A small part of the zucchini I cut in thin strips to use them for decoration. Then I cut up the potatoes, also in cubes. At last I cut up the garlic. Well, now I can start with sauteing the zucchini cubes to get them a bit brown. Then I saute the garlic for short and deglaze with water in the right time. Now I can spice with salt and pepper. Now a bit of vinegar and small pinches of sugar. A bit of water for simmering later. And I can add the potato cubes. I stir a bit and leave it with lid on. When it comes to a boil, I add half of a soup cube. I leave it with lid on again. All my prepared spices I add in the last 5 minutes of the whole boiling time for potatoes. Then I use an immersion blender to make the soup homogeneous. At last a bit of water and perhaps a bit of salt and pepper. During the last short simmering time, I add a small piece of butter. Well, for the finish I saute my zucchini strips to get them crispy and with a nice color to decorate. A bit of salt and ready to serve my delicious zucchini soup with a few slices of baguette. I wish you a happy meal. Yours, Ede.